You there on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.
Okay, now the matter be that. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, you the jam the bust our head. Of course, the last time we put our mouth on microphone, we tell you say yes, well with the boss back with full force, we don't say all things being equal, our guy, that not Joeboy, go boss enter inside studio. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very proud to tell you say yes. What I like about the boy, and I say not just say that Joeboy, they keep to time. In the inside studio as we talk to you right now. So now it's time we just take serenade. I want to speak this Oyibo. Now just serenade the atmosphere just now in contact for waiting. Baby. Boy joint.
Yes.
Talk for the matter.
I'll take the matter that Joeboy is a timekeeper. We know that one.
Okay.
That's why he don't ring bell for school.
No, you don't do debates. Let me take about debates.
Joeboy, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, Joeboy, we're very happy to have you here. How you doing now?
I did fine, I did good.
You know, even me, I don't see Joeboy like for both for stage, like once in a while, then for pictures especially. As I see now, they try to blend the face with what I don't see for picture and waiting I don't see for videos.
I don't change my hair color now.
Abi?
Yeah,
something they look different.
Now go before I change back to black.
Okay.
But you want me to see for screen? You guys say you that small. Abi, I got polo.
Nah, the filter way the director did for the video.
Okay, now it's now. You see talk now. Let me be like saying.
No, he just talk that to me to help you.
Let me say, me to help me.
Bojo, I say Bojo. Joeboy, you're welcome. How you doing now?
I did good though.
You be like say they ever they miss your glasses on and must be this thing.
She might offer, I feel from. But everywhere just bright, so I just see my one, but all good.
All good. Many things. See, I know this is not the first time you come our station, but I think this is not the first time we say we want to give you exclusive because I won't lie to you. A lot of people know Joeboy.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
A lot of people know the songs.
Yeah.
But somewhere along the line, like a small disconnect they based on. They see in fact, today, you're in trouble. We'll ask everything.
Oh yeah, no. Let's go.
Let's go. Well, Bojo, we won't start from now on this matter because with the shot since say Joeboy, you don't come now. I don't want to confuse.
We don't come. They just say we don't talk. We don't come. That to go in there.
Okay, so Joeboy, first of all, you did very welcome. Me personally, want to tell you say you are doing well.
Thank you very much.
You are doing well. And you can do better than where you are doing right now.
You say you are doing well. If you put online, let me say they talk about woman. But say you are doing well, just do only the well for men.
We thank God. Alright, so sharply. I don't know what. Okay, might just start to hit you anyhow. Yeah. You know, it's like in this season when we get names like all the. In fact, right now, if you want blow for this industry, just add boy John, you don't blow.
No, not true.
Oh, you decide the line. Okay, I check now. We get Road Boy.
We
get Bonner Boy,
yes.
We get Charlie Boy.
We get Charlie.
You get Fire.
No, leave.
You get Fireboy.
You get Fireboy.
You get Joeboy. I don't call Bonner Boy.
No, you don't call Bonner Boy.
Okay.
Where
which of that? Just think of any boy where they this industry where he's not big.
Wow. Don't be lying.
Okay. So, I beg, what if the brain behind you giving yourself? I did suspect your name obviously will be like Joe or something, but last, where the inspiration to bring the boy coming?
Yeah, so my real name now Joseph.
Okay.
For secondary school, now nickname they call me Joeboy.
Okay.
So I can't start music now, define name, but you know, get name will make sense in my head. So I just pick Joeboy.
You pick Joeboy and stop.
Wait, you should say, don't be say that I don't go, consider what person like Bonner Boy don't blow. Now you don't consider your friend, I bet good boy for that your joke.
To be honest, I don't reason out that way at all. That's just my nickname they give me so like this secondary school.
So how long you go feel say you don't use that name like officially?
Officially, I'd say 3 years.
3 years. Okay, good. Okay. I want. In fact, the questions went in my head. They just come. So anything when you say just come, I just take it like that.
Yeah.
Now, you get one of your brother when you say, "Oh, but 12 now they cause problem right now." In fact, right now the era of the boys now can't take them to another level. I'm sure you know what I talk about. Yeah, it's Fireboy.
Yeah.
12 now they quarrel.
No, we know the core. Fireboy, I followed Fireboy talk like 3 days ago.
Are you serious?
Yes, now.
You know, say, but you know, say, people they mistake 12 now. Up till now,
I totally understand that now because we both came out about the same time.
One,
and we are young.
2,
and are like we do Afrobeats too.
Okay.
Then the boy.
So, now constantly get one kind of data where we say we no understand.
I will come be Lagos boys again. So that similarity will always be there, but in time.
But before 12, when I don't did this limelight like this, when I know each other before.
Yes, I know.
For real.
Yeah, we go on music academy together.
I bet
like 2017.
I bet not verse. When that music academy, they won't go.
Now I know what talk name called now brand.
No, I bet we need to talk after. No, not now. After. Because like say that academy, once you jump in the academy, we
just enter studio.
I tell you.
But we can't even accept it. This one went off now. Name called the name Fireboy, Joeboy. Every join rank, descend. Let me say. Then they carry picture of my car and go show. It's not because say.
No, but most people don't they know say okay now Joeboy with this now.
Okay. Some people feel they confused. So now they come they look at the way we analyze and that is they say okay, don't call me back. Don't call me back. Oh, why I'm gonna do that again? Later now you can't really look the thing the way it be. You can't say okay, if he call come last say the girl don't call you. Now you got the complaint say you dey lonely.
Exactly.
So is it
storyline now? The follow storyline.
They say when I talk this
when they have a job, we're not gonna stand up for
when I talk this it's how they like. You see how.
Okay, sharply may not be like so we won't waste time again. So more not be like so we won't jump over. Now more look at beginning. This is your song where we say yes. In fact, I don't lie you. I do one show last this same kind of time last year, a musical show. Now drama when a musical. I use this song as one of my arrangements. Begin to fall in love. So what will be the idea behind this song actually?
Yeah, so the idea behind the song, I remember last year, like a week before I recorded the song, I did my guy's side.
Okay.
Then in there it's one babe. So we can't argue, normal argument. Then she can't talk to you and begin to get angry with you. I can't laugh, say which kind of English you can say I'm beginning to begin. I was okay, I'm gonna use the right song because I know we Nigeria like funny stuff.
Yeah.
So I can't infuse that comedy. So I'm beginning to fall in love. And that part people like part.
Oh, no, that be the song now.
Yeah,
every other part, we just wait for beginning to begin. Oh, that makes sense. Ladies and gentlemen, not talk too much. Joeboy is still inside the studio. Many more questions they come. In case you get a question for him, enter inside with WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is 0908-285-8887. And of course, we'll still open the lines for 1 or 2 calls. 01515-1027 or 01515-2027. Joeboy is inside the building. Boy joined OTB will still be here with the quiz and more with more questions. But for now, we'll begin to fall in love. What up a shot?
You there on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we don't come back for Inside the Matter. Yes, Naija FM 102.7. Your day, 44 minutes, don't wait, leave 4 o'clock. We'll join OTB, we'll still there here. And of course, our special guest, Joeboy, is still in the building. Pondeko. I mean, not this is your Joeboy Pondek. Where you for to get that kind of signature tune from?
It just caught my mind though. It just caught my mind one day. I just record one song. I said Joeboy Pondek. My song just trying to go like that.
And he enter?
Yeah,
No, he enter. Joeboy Pondek. Now, you get one time you say you get one kind. I don't forget it, but they bring a list of Nigerian artists and what's it called now? Streaming numbers.
Yeah.
Surprisingly.
Surprisingly.
Surprisingly. I mean, when we say let me say Joeboy didn't try, but surprisingly, based on other people don't do before Joeboy now. You expect say those we don't do before Joeboy. I don't want to mention anybody's name.
Yeah.
But we expect say some of those people if you say okay, we could look at this thing based on numbers. You go expect okay, you go see other people's names before you go see Joeboy name. But surprisingly, Joeboy did that arrangement based on online streaming and the numbers. You did among people we say, you know how the matter goes.
That's why they say it's not how far, it's how well. Joeboy, am I speaking your mind?
My brother, I want to make you see. That's why they talk like just like, look, you get what Joeboy, no one will not know.
I want to ask you one question. I know first I want to go back.
Yeah.
I've got this your track this in
No.
that beginning where you. So in the beginning of your career when you won't start, how you take feel say okay, this thing, this one won't go, it will take me far. What make you feel say yes? So
to be honest, that's something I just enjoy today. I enjoy doing it. Before then, I didn't see myself. I don't see myself saying artist I will be. I don't say I will just go to school. Maybe I start to work for fun or something. Wow. But music now hobby to say I just do for fun.
Okay.
And people they like them because I just go. Until which one point I can decide, okay, it's now one go.
Okay. Nice. Well, I go back to that question now. So surprisingly, you did among the the number what you did for that place, we not really feel say I will see Joeboy for there, but you did that. So it bring me to the fact say that means there's something about the music business where we say a lot of people not really know. Where we like say Joeboy know. I mean, tell us.
Yeah, I believe say everybody get their strong points. And the thing is, apart from being like a Nigerian artist, like I thank God my music is spread outside Nigeria, so like East Africa, I get like serious love from it. So and those guys are big on streaming. Really big on streaming. So that actually helps. Those numbers.
Well, now when we say you don't post, now because a lot of people they want to say shit, we just do like this. So if you want to be artist nowadays, you must either get one kind big platform when you say you day under or when you say you dey serve under. You know, for instance, now people see now we'll play this guy's song not long go check. We'll find out say okay check the day under this how we call him Fino. But they look at me again now. Somebody like Mayokun for instance, the day under Davido. Somebody like who now where them now Fireboy, the day under Olamide. I beg Joeboy day under any.
I did in partnership with Empower, founded by Mr. Easy.
You know, Siana.
I wonder this streaming thing.
You don't
I don't get
You don't hear Mr. Easy,
yes, I'm for you. Why you talk like this, Mr. Easy? Mr. Easy is a strong man now. What I like, so as he just talk this, I don't under Mr. Easy. Forget her.
Just leave the matter. So how you and Mr. Easy take meet or get that kind of...
So now through social media, I do one cover, a shape of him.
Okay, yes.
So I do one video with my iPhone 5 that time. Just one small video, I post them for Instagram. So we start they like and we post the concern on Instagram. One of the artists we send out. When you see him, he like, he just message me say, oh, you have fast, maybe you send the number, we didn't see again. So now from that moment, I consider say, okay, I'm waiting and we do official video. Wow. 2017. Just
now you talk about school matter.
Yeah.
You go school?
Yeah.
I go school. Oh,
it's kind of weekend.
Time. I don't get time.
If I don't go school, boy, you go pay me.
If I go school, not a problem now.
But
go there, go school. I don't know they take the school. So, you go school?
Yeah, University of Lagos, Human Resources.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wow.
So, Human Resources?
Yeah, Human Resources Management.
You go work for our HR department?
I don't know. Time will be
When you see money.
Alright, we'll jump back one break now. And of course, we won't enter inside this song where we say, yes, you and me who actually do. Don't call me back. Wait till be the idea. Somebody vex you. Let's say you don't take the answer.
I don't understand that. Who vex you?
So now situation of unrequited love.
Hey.
And I sing out for people too, they go through all those kind of situations. If you in the workplace, maybe you work for Organa and Organa they treat you well, they salary. You can't see a better job. Oga can define and say, I come back now, but the time that they don't call me back. So this is a song dedicated to everybody that take it for granted.
Brother, talk your own. Talk
my own. That part of the
talk your own. Who's there?
You don't need the
because I get got the.
Okay.
This one a full game matter with this now.
This one a full game matter.
You don't need to begin.
Who twist
just like life experiences.
Life experience.
Nobody don't break my heart yet.
Nobody don't break your heart.
Your heart every plate. You try. But for this song, get one part where you say you and Mayor I don't know that you and Adwan, but you bust my head. I don't do one kind. I don't know that's slow. But hey, who give you that inspiration to that?
I'm out Corona.
You don't mean it?
Oh,
yeah, I'm not official.
Lagos.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. Yes, so from Don't Call Me Back, and of course, to talk to you right now. So, Joeboy is today inside the building. OTV, Boy Joint Quiz up there here with the quiz. Of course, I know they see many messages where they bust the entire inside with WhatsApp.
Before we go on there, my friend just sent me a message that said, lie. Say you lie. say that way, don't say that. That's something for bosses where they
dedicated to everyone.
every form of heartbreak.
That is suffering from unrequited energy and unrequited love.
Now English you speak, so
this song is for you.
You don't use English confused Boy Joint now.
Wait, I believe this Joeboy.
Yeah.
Talk to me. Who you get break your heart first?
Nobody break my heart.
What thing concern you if you get break your heart?
When we
now your heart they break.
Listen to the song, say the passion when they sing and the passion when they sing that song.
Nobody break my heart.
You know the first one I hear that's I call the picture yourself.
No, people experience it. If I see people
now this guy don't blow now. The guy will find out and down now.
Okay, on a serious note, Joeboy, I don't observe say, you know, the way you don't take peak because every song where you don't drop now has been a hit.
Yeah.
And one go expect say as it be like that. A lot of people don't they call you say, but Joeboy, man, come and show me some love. Joeboy on deck. Come and be on deck on my song.
Yeah.
You know, but I don't observe say I think count maybe like 3 to 4 collabs when you don't do with people. I know you don't with CK.
Yeah, I've done with
I know
CK.
you don't do with
Tiwa Savage.
Tiwa Savage, that's Young John, Let Them Know.
Yeah.
Waiting again, Nobody with Neptune.
Slow Burner with like Gaga.
Lagos, with Ladipo, you do something
Ladipo,
Ladipo. Samurai.
Samurai.
You know too plenty.
Samurai.
One would expect.
You know plenty.
You know plenty.
How many? I only like 6 this year now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Make I ask you.
Yeah.
You don't do 6 this year.
Yeah.
How many people don't like? How many people don't? Okay, good. Like, how many people don't? You don't do 6 this year.
Yeah.
But like, how many people don't tell you say, but Joeboy, what this joint they when me say I like make you do? How many people not?
You plenty now. There are a lot of features on the way, but you know, say this trend is slow somehow based on how everything is. So most of the songs not the chance come out this year.
Okay.
Next year we will continue the journey.
All right. This thing when you talk about 2027 can make more ask. Honestly, I'm not lie you, man. When I think 2020 for people like the Joeboy, people like the Omar Lay, people like the best, because yes, there are songs there everywhere, but unfortunately, no show to really perform for really feel that vibe on stage and all those things. How they actually they cope and they make money.
Financially, we thank God for streaming now. So streaming one particular place where Corona not to affect like that.
Don't punish Corona for that.
So Corona no fit touch down based on saying a digital stream. So now the way they use everybody with that.
All right, nice one. Before then, I don't think so. Yes, you fit message us for inside with WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is 09082858887. Somebody done the say much hellings to the man when Sabi. This one I wrote to me. He say, "Otili, I better help me ask Joeboy." And I'm questioning me when we say, "Well, I won't ask him." Because you know, if you go on Twitter, you say Fireboy, for instance, the trend. You know, saying in the next 30 minutes, Joeboy will start the trend too. Because you know how they go now.
Yeah.
So a lot of people don't say, to end this whole matter, when Joeboy and Fireboy said go do collabo, now the question is,
we get a couple of songs together, dropping next year, definitely.
It's a lie.
Yes, now.
So when I do?
Yes, now all love now. Now they always say we dey fight.
I tell them not go.
You know they fight.
I don't hear now.
Before you now we go drop some Rema too. Tomali, all of us be together, one Nigeria.
Nice.
No,
if two people don't dey hot, they go. People don't, as you say, then they fight. Which fight?
No fight.
Say this one sing you, this one sing you. I mean, I'll be on myself for ladies.
No.
So why people because this thing confuse me here. I don't understand. I just
Guys, with best day here for you. Good evening, sir. I am Manasseh from VI. I want to ask you, boy. He doesn't like smiling in his videos. Now wow, not true.
Because this life is a war, is a fight.
Not true.
The war is a fight. You guys, let me my song is supposed to hear. What's when is my video? I beg.
That's the guy say, he need advertise to please. Let me open it. He give him the smile.
Good evening, I am Inspector. I have money from Abuleba. I would like to tell Joeboy that there are some street dancers in my area. I beg, do it one side. Because I'm a hard fan of him, and as a fan, I can predict what my celebrity would love to have on deck. So, Joeboy, you wish to see the guy? Anyway, make I may not be like saying I'm be the one where they send off. I just try to read that first. They say, Joeboy, you wish to see these guys vibing professionally to your song?
Yes, definitely now. Definitely. Because they keep us going.
The way I mean, I just like when we say want to stop that guy destiny.
You don't show when this guy goes show for you. This is what he talks about.
No, let me read that. Joeboy, I feel your song like mad. Joeboy, I got like dance for one of your videos recent from Surulere. Okay.
Tag me, send me a DM
you don't
on
see
Instagram.
You don't see
at Joeboy Official.
Okay, hello Naija FM, I love your program. Joeboy, nice to hear your voice. Keep it up.
Thank you very much.
You guys say your name in English from Surulere.
Let's have English.
That's it, then your name not be here. But people will be full French. Evening to everyone over there. Joeboy, Baba, they feel all your songs. Keep it up, bro. This one is Chukwuemeka from Ayo. Okay, hi, good evening. This is Temitara from Osun State. Shout out to the Radio Godfather, Osama and OTV and Bo Joints. My regards to Joeboy on deck. Alright, now just reading the review. Mo enter this your next song. All for you. I love that song. Just like Nara and be you do for them. Come. Apart from the fact, say, say nowadays everybody for the inside Nigerian music, they start singing. Especially when they don't enter studio. They don't do all those studio magic. Their voice they come out fine. But If like say your own, if like say you get good voice.
I get good voice. So.
Even you said the brass. They talk and say you get good voice.
You guys show your.
That means why you talk so you go do a plug version of this one for you.
Let's go.
But I don't like for you, Joeboy. People see they tell me say na lie, you see the lie for that matter.
Just leave Joeboy and
they tell me my friends see they talk about. Agnes see they talk about.
Is it that Agnes? They like Joeboy.
I don't tell you, Abi.
But Agnes rest.
You don't Joeboy. Any Agnes before?
No, I don't.
Joeboy, I don't best. Now I won't play all for you. But before I will play all for you, how about you give us unplugged version?
Okay.
Or more hear the team live and direct. Let's go. Let's roll.
Okay. My pleasure to it. Are you ready?
Since yesterday.
Are you ready?
Since yesterday.
Make some noise if you are ready. Make some noise. Yeah.
Hey, whoa.
She won't break up with her boyfriend cause of me. Say now only me when she wants, she no wanting nobody. Yeah. She won't break up with her boyfriend cause of me. Say now only me when she wants, she no wanting nobody. Oh no. I don't feel like I deserve your love, oh baby, yeah. You know they be like say I deserve your love, oh mama. If I continue, you
don't waste the voice. You don't waste that voice.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.
Now the matter with that, when they try to settle us since Joeboy on deck inside the building, of course, he don't tell us, say he got to swallow in pride and he got to call the girl back when he say, man, this girl, what did I drink, what did I chop when he started to make this girl not coming back before? He realized his sins and he call him back. What will be your, if I won't speak now, what will be your projection on, you think more are even coming?
Yes, a lot more are coming. Me, I'm this kind of person who is a big fan of emerging artists.
Okay.
So I listen to music a lot. So plenty young guys they come with we very, very hot. So Nigeria, I think in the nearest future, music will be one of the biggest exports out of Nigeria. It'll be like crude oil.
It's already there.
It don't be like that already, sir.
Yeah.
So a lot of amazing artists are coming through. I'm sure that.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, sharply. Now you talk, we don't understand. Say, oh, you be special. Say they're in love with him. What about the people we done day before now? So people like, you get one that you know what artist went up one time. Say one of the boys, he say, they leave all those things. I beg, say nobody pay me for. Say nobody pay way. They leave. But I don't know. I know that people pay way for you too. I be as a boy, you say, like say.
Yes, na person show me the way, na person support.
Okay, so apart from that, so who be some of the people we say you listen to and inspire you back then and even up till now?
Yeah. From Nice to Wizkid, Davido to Burna Boy, to Baba, FaZe, P Square, the band, everybody.
So any likely collaboration with some of these names when you mentioned? So?
I could like work with Wizkid. Yeah.
It go happen.
Yeah.
I see it coming.
You're better picking it now.
It's coming.
You better pick it up now.
You don't make them now.
Not to enjoy it, man.
Don't enjoy it, man.
All right, now you get this your latest single where you don't drop Lonely, and of course that is song where we say with the inting right now, waiting they inspire that kind of.
Yeah, so the song I write them around that period we say we all did lockdown.
Okay.
Yeah, so being in the midst of the same four walls for a long time and not being able to see your friends or your loved ones because of social distancing. There's that feeling of loneliness that creeps in.
English speaking, you know.
So things can inspire me.
One of the
I can decide to say, I'm not using the right song because I'm the best way I can express myself with that. And I so lonely take come out. Produced by Derek Boy.
Yeah, now very good. You just talk about something now. Most of your songs, who don't they produce? Your producers.
Yeah. So I did work with Killer Tunes. Killer Tunes produced Beginning. Beats by Kill produced Don't Call Me Back. Derek Boy produced Baby Lonely.
I see. Who produced Call?
Call Derek Boy.
I see. So the same person that produced this Lonely right now.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So this Lonely now. So the video don't come out.
The video will come out next week.
Next week. Okay. I don't know. I just tired now. I don't know that I want to argue again. Boy joints, let me slap her. Let me slap her. Don't tire.
No, the real no be need to.
Don't ask her about that breakup again.
No, they don't break up. No break up. Right, well, you already yes. You don't talk say next year you and Fireboy. So we don't really look up to that. So apart from that, what else we go to look up to again?
What else? So
when it comes to
yeah. So you get this program where they try to start. I suppose start on like this year, but based on say schools no doing sessions. So I want to visit like secondary schools and speak to young children, or I say young children, young people like me.
You don't start to.
Someone
has to record.
No. Now I correct myself. I want to speak to young people like me and like encourage them that regardless of going to school, you can also be doing something that you love, something creative that you love doing, and you can make money from it too. So I want to encourage them to that way. And again, one other platform I want to build, like they pay school fees for people in the
school fees?
Yes, no.
I got children.
No, now.
I'll give you my children name.
So to support the fees of people with children that can't afford school fees at the moment, just to help them. Because when I did younger, so the old school fees where I'm a regular customer. So now one thing maybe say, I really want to help out with that. So that is those are part of my plans for next year. Then by then the album will don't drop now. So we promote the album, we tour. Hopefully Corona don't disappear by then.
You don't even plan now. You don't even think of say, okay, I should do so. Say you won't do your own just like as a Wizkid, Davido, where they do their concert.
Yeah.
You don't think
it's supposed to be December. I don't plan out for December because I didn't say okay, I could drop the album around summer. Earlier this year I could drop the album around summer, promote time, then do one big show for December. But as of now it's not possible, so we look next year like Easter period.
Okay, nice. Now as you talk just now, you almost talk. You tell us say your school is what will be your background growing up?
My background. Yeah. So now almost sometimes they sweet, sometimes they rough. Man, no lie. But that way they rough well.
So your parents are still there?
Yeah, they're still there.
The CD. That's why you want to do music. How did they talk?
No, they just talk to me and make sure I go to school because they see as nice starts now.
Okay.
My older brother was friends with nice. He's friends with nice, so they see as it starts. So important. Because most of the time, this is why parents don't believe make their children do music now because they never see anybody who's successful from them.
Okay.
But they're so nice, so that was like kind of encouraging.
So now when they see your owner, so how did they do that?
When they suit them and they chop wife, they alright.
But before then, the era when they stay with your parents, no verse. This question go be stupid question. They jump got tighter now.
No.
You know they see our Joeboy fresh.
No.
No,
but some family they show for face, so I don't see, but we thank you for that.
Because they sounds they can do this open office where
no man young boy now, you know.
No man young boy. Any young boy will come from big house, sounds they feel near them.
Like
do you know my father?
Like you.
Like me now. Do you know my father?
Don't come up play if I see you they go say show. We not say our colleague there on duty too.
No.
When they tell them call you resemble SAS.
If Sam see me, they run now. They go say this one a disease. Don't you?
All right, I'm not gonna lie you, Joeboy. Thank you so much for this visit where you give us.
Of course, I had a great time.
No, we said that we have a time and great pass, and especially the listeners. I mean, they're very, very happy to hear you because I don't lie you, Joeboy. His song just there, but we not really get to the see him more often. I don't want to see you more.
Yeah,
often.
I try the life. We just start now.
Okay, just start.
We just start. So, but then I'm gonna see me well. I go there everywhere. No worries.
But Joeboy, no verse. Sorry to say one before we go. You don't perform for any event.
This year?
Like, not even this year.
I think question when we join.
No. No. Don't say get some big artists where we say you hardly see them for events. Them.
I mean, a point.
You understand? Me, I never really see. Only I hear your song.
I don't see.
I go show. December I go show where.
December you go show.
Outside Nigeria, Tanzania.
Don't mind. Not myself. I saw this thing. What did they call him? This thing where they post some kind clips of artists where come up. I remember Novets. That's more mumu already here. Novets. But what I ask, you know why I asked that question? You get where I want to go. I want to say your first time on stage, IB.
I'm on work.
But you say if you don't blow, you don't think too much.
I remember now for old school, I know what talk to me, no go reason me because but now for old school for around that fucker side, no be in lot. So I go to show now. So my car said, I step on say, look, who is this guy? So I called and said, you guys, are you ready to turn up? No, we don't want you, go away. I come prostrate, I don't sabi their way now, prostrate for them, say, I beg go. So, so I just start, friend, I know
Mona help me, oh.
Help me,
Help
They shall agree, I shall perform finish, they shall see, they look me, they go. And I go my house. Yeah, so.
but today, me the check now.
But today, the check
Me the check now.
But I sure say, but I hope say, you never start to do that one. We say now people go pay like 20,000 for regular. Come watch you. Now you go carry mic, the point, give them, and then they sing your song.
No. It get like now for all these kinds of now for rave, but if you see where people sit down for things,
Give
No, if you do so, that's what I will do. You get the line, you don't put like this. But don't be the one we say from beginning to the end.
Alright, time not there again, because right now, in the next 3 minutes time from now, we're going to enter inside with newsroom. Jude will come in to rub everybody with the Tinkly News. Sharply, what will be your social media handles?
Yeah, so my social media handle now, Joeboy Official, that is at Joeboy Official on all platforms. Everywhere, Joeboy on there on Snapchat, so you want to see exclusive videos of Joeboy.
Exclusive?
Yeah, not be that kind of exclusive when I do original, but if you get me, you get me.
Alright, nice one. Thank you so much. You don't tell us many things, and of course, this particular song, like the latest song where they come from the mouth of Joeboy, and the video, if I'm not mistaken, they come out next week too.
Yeah.
Of course, Joeboy on deck, we call this one Lonely. What can I call it?
You there on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.